Hello everyone, today we are going to learn how to install HubSpot integration in Magento 2. For this, firstly you have to log into your Magento 2 account and then you will see the Magento dashboard appear like this. Then on the left hand side, you will see under the HubSpot section that has the subsequent section, the configuration. After clicking on this configuration section, you have to click on the Re-Authenticate button. This Re-Authenticate indicates that you already authenticate being the first connection with HubSpot. That's why here you can see this Re-Authenticate button. Now you have to log into your HubSpot account and then choose your valid account from here. After choosing your account, you will be redirected to this window that will indicate the contact, group, property, contact list and workflow that has been created, and you can also see the connection status. After that, you have to go to your HubSpot account and then log into it and then choose your valid account as chosen before. After choosing your account, you have to click on this setting icon. After clicking on this, you will see on the left hand side integration section, which has a subsequent section, the connected app. Here you can check your connected app. After this, you will see the contact section, which has a subsequent section on the list. Here you can see the smart list of the customer segments created by the app. Here in the automation section, you can check ready to use workflow created by this app. Now in your Magento 2 account, you have to click on this subsection of data transfer, and after clicking on this, click on the export button. From this, you will export all the Magento stored data like customers, product, orders and abandoned carts. It will ask to export existing abandoned cart data via a pop-up message. When you will select yes, then it will start exporting the existing abandoned carts. And if you select no, then it will not export the abandoned carts. When you will select this abandoned cart subsection, here you will check your login customers' abandoned carts. In this abandoned cart section, you can see the details of the customer's cart like purchasing point, email created at, customer name, customer email address and purchase price. After clicking on this error log section, you can check error, which will be two types available for checking error log. One is related to the website and another one is related to the HubSpot error log, which can be tracked in the HubSpot tab upon clicking it in a new page. When you will click on this cron status section, you can check the cron status. Now in your HubSpot account, you will have to click the contact section. In the contact section, you can see all the Magento's customers, where you can see the customer name, email and other relevant details. After that, you have to click on this setting icon. Now in this sales section, you have to click on the deal section, which helps you to know the relevant details about your orders, such as an abandoned cart, pending checkout, etc. So this is the whole process how you will install your HubSpot integration in Magento 2. Hope this helps. Thank you.